Okay, part of my Amazon Prime, I bought a Fire TV stick with Alexa voice remote. Problem is, the remote is crap. In order to do stuff, you really have to want to do it. You got to point each little letter and all that kind of stuff in order to like type in the program you wanted to watch. It takes a long time to do that. And this is Bluetooth, I think it is. So I decided to order like a Bluetooth keyboard. Now we all know what a keyboard looks like, right? I mean, this is a keyboard. Is it not? So I go online to Amazon and I find what appeared to be a nice, judging from the size of these keys, the size of the keys on that one, I went to look for a nice Bluetooth keyboard. It's available in black. The blue I got. White. Green. I'm not a big fan of green, but that don't look too bad. That's a pretty shade of green. Red. And they're calling that yellow. I would call that something else, but that don't look bad either. And this is what showed up in my shipment. My first thought is, what is that? I ordered a keyboard. What's this? That can't be the keyboard. You can see this can clearly not fit into this. So I open it up to see what was in it. This was in it. Now, after I stopped laughing, because that was funny, I'm sorry, that was funny. Literally, this is the keyboard. This is the trackpad, touchpad, whatever you call it. It's like, look how tiny that thing is. So after I got over, are you kidding me? This is so tiny. It also has a dongle thing if you need to use it that way. Otherwise, it's Bluetooth. On and off. And it has charging cord and stuff. Okay, so after I got through laughing at it, and before I decided to send it back, I tried to use it. Okay, this thing is wonderful. These keys are super tiny, but you can, in fact, do some pressing with it. I mean, I'm not double fat fingering or any of that kind of stuff. It really, and they got good positive, listen. You've got positive response. I love this keyboard. It ain't going back. This is mine. The battery lasts a long time too. The only thing I've got against it, but it's not a biggie, well, other than the teeny tiny size, but that's actually not a bad thing really, is you can't replace the inner battery. Well, without taking it apart. So eventually when the battery goes bad, I may make a video showing how to take it apart and see if we can replace the rechargeable battery. But it has the Bluetooth. You just turn it on and it syncs with your Alexa thing easy enough. Alexa recognizes it right off the bat. I've never tried to use it like this USB dongle keyboard. I've never tried to use it that way, but it should be usable as well. You just can't type this way on it because your fingers ain't going to fit, but you can do one of these really well, and it's great for Alexa. I just absolutely love it. In order to connect it to a computer, you take the little dongle, the USB, which isn't easy to get out of here actually. And plug it into your computer. It may or may not okay, the first time it'll probably say installing device, like add a device. You'll need it to be on, and you probably have to push the Bluetooth symbol. Although I don't think that's necessary since I've already done it. But then your Bluetooth device will show up here. Okay, so then this will pop up. So you select it, hit next, and it's been successfully added, and this little light stopped blinking. So you should be able to, so now we can control with this thing. And then of course just close out of here. Now I don't know what all this little keypad does, but can you do more than one? to Windows Media Playlist. Okay, so what's the common theme for this amazing smorgasbord of chow? So you can cut off the volume. You can lower the volume. This date says 5/17. Oddly enough, if you look here, this isn't lowering that volume, it's lowering this volume. So when you press... This date says 6/2/19. June 2nd, 2019. Please. And Carolina Pride says 6/15/19. This button acts like a right click. This button acts like a left click, so you can click on it and slide. You can light up the keys or not. I guess with me? Expired. Oh, it's such a waste. Let's get rid of that. I had literally threw this stuff out in the trash yesterday. If I did this right, you can go pause, and the play, trash pickup. So skip to the next one. Pause. Play. I'm not sure what all buttons that actually work with it are. You also have mouse buttons here. If you're using a different... As long as I don't play these, I guess it's alright to show it. Items that I had put alerts on when they were back in stock are back in stock. So you can use down page, up page, which didn't work. And as you know, I wanted all the Privateer series 2-ounce coins, elemental. And I don't want to pay... Okay, in order to use down page and up page, eBay or Amazon for those, you have to click on one of them. The last time I got the emails that they were back in stock, I wasn't quick enough. By the time I noticed the email, they were already gone. So I saw these 3 emails, like right after they posted, before 2 o'clock, I think. Anyway, I didn't notice this one until it was too late. The white whale number. Mute the speaker. Again, it's muting this speaker, not this one. So pretty much, let me go back to play. Or did I stop it? Okay. And I bought these 2. So it controls a lot of stuff. I'm not sure what all it actually does control really. But it's easy to connect. I don't know what that
I need to
does.
send in my military discount thing. I could buy it a little cheaper if I do that.
Then you can skip to the next video. Or in the music part, you can skip to the next song, or skip to the previous song.
Okay, today we're looking at this poop here. It's the MX4 thermal.
That does nothing on there. So basically, just if you get one, just play with everything and see what all it does.
Okay.
I guess in order to fast forward, you just have to go down here and click on it.
So let's see if we got our full 4 grams as you want to. Is that what you want to do?
Or you can push the mouse button on here. That one or this one. I don't know what. Okay, apparently that takes you to your AOL screen or your home browser or something, but it has a built-in battery that you would charge with the USB-C or it's USB micro or whatever that is. You would charge it with the cable provided. The battery lasts quite a while. But it's easy to connect. It's easy to connect to the TV and stuff as well. To the Fire Stick.
Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you tried one of these? It has a light when it comes on. Oops, wrong way. So the keys light up as well, you can see. And you can turn the backlighting on to stay on, or you can turn it off to save power. Honestly, I'm not really sure what all it does do, but it has, if you can see it, it has the right mouse button here, the left mouse button here. I think it's got speaker mute. A lot of different stuff. And it has the light when it comes on. Really, really nice. I like it. I love it. I want more of it. My initial reaction though was just, holy crap, it's so tiny. That's what she said. Sorry about that. Anyway, leave your comments, questions in the question section. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs up as well. Or a thumbs down, or both. All that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video review. Or the next video, whichever comes first. Now, thank you for watching.